Up above in our mountains, by Thaynes ski chairlift, we can find the Thaynes mining shaft, boasting a great conveyor system that helped our miners transport rocks and ore coming from underground. This mining shaft was also used as a transportation method for skiers back in the 60s. Undoubtedly, this great structure is part of our history. Our legacy as a mining and ski town. Great efforts have been made by the community to preserve the stability of Thaynes shaft. Unfortunately, the harsh weather keeps degrading the strength of such long and heavy conveyors. It is now that our legacy is calling once again for help, and we will not let it down.